I am Liliana Londoño. Today I am going to talk about improvement programs. Six Sigma theory. Six Sigma says that focusing on reducing variation will solve business and process problems. The collaborators appreciated that a deeper understanding of the data and the analysis of this can be used to produce improvements and taught the reduction of the variation of the process. The overall performance organization will improve. Application guidelines. It is applied in 5 steps as known as DMIAC. Define. It begins by defining the process. Measure. The focus is on measuring the process. Analyze. Once the data is collected, they are analyzed. Improve. The process solution, the problem, are developed and changes are made in the process control. Is the process is performed at desired and predictable level. It's put under control. Focus. It focuses on the primary area of variation reduction. This also produces other side effects. The quality is improved. Process research in the reevaluation of the value added status of many elements. Some elements are modified, while others suspend, others refine and improve. This reduces errors and opportunities to make mistakes. Lean thinking theory is focused on waste disposal, which is defined as everything that is not necessary to produce to product or service. Frequently, Lean's approach manifests itself in an emphasis of flow. Application guidelines. There are 5 steps in Lean. 1. Identify one characteristics, create value. 2. Identify the sequence of activities called current value. Make activities flow. 4. Let the customer extract the product or service through process. 5. Perfect the process. Focus. It focuses on eliminating waste and improving flow. It also has some side effects. The quality improves. The product spends less time in the process, which reduces the chance of damage or obsolescence. Theory of constraints. TOC focuses on system improvement. As a system is defined as serious interdependent process. TOC focuses on the process that reduces the speed of the product through the system. Application guidelines. TOC consists in 5 steps. 1. Identify the restriction. Explode the restriction. 3. Raise the restriction. 4. Elevate restriction. 5. Repeat cycle. Focus. Because focusing on restriction, the methodology produces positive effects on the flow time of the product or service. Through the system reduction of waste in the restriction increase yield. When the restriction is improved, the variation is reduced and the quality improved. Similarities and differences between the improvement programs. There are some common points and general criticisms of our improved models. Improvement methodologies begin by talking the configuration of the product or service to the leader and improving the process or the system assessments. That design of the product or service is essentially correct economical and the customer's needs are it. These assumptions may not be valid and require exploration. Everyone sees the design through their theory and tools, obstacles to the improvement methodologies. They address management theory as secondary or tertiary problem. They not address policies, whether formal or informal. The value of the company, the general management theory used by company and manager as a mean for improvements at their respective rewards. In any organization, many activities are policy drive. All chance programs challenge existing ways of doing things that require asking what a specific policy is for. Underlying management theory is a system of organizational values in addition to taking into account other areas that need consideration when analyzing programs to improve process or systems. Thank you.